Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here. I'm Tony, this is little Teddy. Over at the allotment, we're putting onion sets in today. I'm doing it a bit different this year than I did last year. Last year I planted them in modules in the polytunnel, mid-March. I'm a bit late to the party. It's the 27th of March today, about 12 degrees, slightly overcast, and we're planting onion sets direct in the bed rather than start them in the polytunnel. Now this year I'm growing Ailsa Craig. I've got 300 grams. Now last year I planted about 140 onions and it was a bit too much. I've got loads left, definitely enough to last me till these are ready and some. So I'm going to go for a few less this year. What I'm going to do is some of last year's onions, I'm going to plant them to use for seed. I'm going to get some onion seed off of those. So the back end of the bed I'm going to save for that. I'll do a video on how to do onion seed. So if you want to see that, do subscribe. Anyway, let me show you where the onions are going. Oh, gravy bone, Teddy. A gravy bone. He lives for gravy bones. That's why I've got my buy me a coffee set to buy me a gravy bone. Anyway, the onions going in here. Like I say, 140 onions I grew in that bed last year. The back end up there, I'm going to plant 20 of last year's onions for seed. The rest of it, I'm probably going to do about 100. Now, this bed is a no-dig bed. But I haven't dressed it this year. Last year I dressed it with a really thick layer of 12-month-old rotted cow manure. So that should be enough to feed this bed for the 2 seasons. So all I've done is I've given it a good weed in about 2 or 3 days ago, and I've given it a rake. I'm just going over it with a rake, no digging. So we're going to get I'm going to show you now how I'm going to get these onion sets in. I'm going to start about here. I'm going to leave that gap at the back for doing onion seed. I'm going to do 3 rows. So you can see these have started. So when you planted them, that's the root end down. And we want to put about half of the onion under the soil, half to 2/3 maybe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay them out in the rows. So I've done this just to show you what kind of spacings I'm going for. Half the bed, but I'm not going to lay them all out because that's more time consuming. So I'm going to lay them out and then go back, and I may as well dib them and put them straight in. So I'll get those in now and I'll show you the rest. So what I'm going to do then is take my dibber and just pop it in. So that first one I showed you was a bit deep. It'll still be okay, but this is kind of what you're going for. Having fun, Ted? So that's all the onions in. Don't know how many. I'm thinking about 100-ish. You see my garlic's doing well. Planting in October that was. I'm quickly going to show you how my first earlies are doing. So here's my first early spuds. These 3 containers are experiment. 1 seed potato, 2 seed potatoes and 4 seed potatoes. See what the difference in yield is. And the rest are 4 seed potatoes per container. And there's my brassicas waiting to go in. Okay, so that's the onion sets in. I am going to water them in. I'll check the weather forecast. We're not expecting rain for a few days, so I'm going to water those in. If you want to see the video from my last year's onion harvest, I'll put it on the screen up here now. If you want to see more gardening videos, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.